Camshaft sensor on a 2005 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited 5.7. It's very simple. 8 and 10 millimeter sockets. I've got this partially loose so I can get this to go fast. You want to take this air box off, get these loosened up, get it loosened up from the throttle body, which is like an 8 millimeter. Pull it off. Pull the air temperature sensor loose, and the tube that sucks all the fumes out. I forgot what they call that. Camshaft sensor. Right in there. Once you get that out with a 10 millimeter socket, it's not going to be able to see this because of this thing. But it's right in there, right below the radiator hose. Just barely see it. Right there. There's the nut that holds it on. I already have it out. Just so I can show you guys really quick how simple this is. Once you get it loose, the bolt out, pull the sensor out. That's what it looks like. That's it. Put the new one back in, plug it up, clean off the connector obviously, and put it back in. Looks like that one was screwed from the get-go. But there it is, 2005 Jeep Grand Cherokee 5.7 liter limited camshaft sensor. Any questions, leave them in the comments.